So yes, we are meeting very first time. So could you please introduce yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, I would be happy to introduce myself. So this is Savi. I'm connecting to you from Indore, MP, beautiful and cleanest city of India. Talking about my degree, so I hold my masters in English literature and B.Ed as well. As per teacher, I have attained qualifications. And talking about my hobbies, so I have plethora of hobbies, copious of hobbies, and one of the humongous hobby is learning English. So I'm learning English and Fructify one of the also reading. So I am into reading nowadays. I'm
Mhm.
learning this language. Yeah. And my evocation, vocation, both are teaching. That's
Oh,
it about
that is
me.
great. Should I?
So do YouTube journey is going good or you
Yeah,
are satisfied with this?
yeah. Everything is going smoothly. I am satisfied. I'm enjoying my day. I'm having
Yeah.
playing. Everything is going smoothly.
That's the big thing. If you are enjoying something, then definitely you will learn and you will earn.
Definitely, definitely. I agree with you. So, what do you want to
Hmm.
discuss? Do you want to discuss English related thing? Yeah, you want to discuss something different?
Okay, what have you cooked in your mind today? Please serve
I
it.
I have I have many topics, but very close to my heart is like karma. And people
Okay.
nowadays, people are pretending very good in front of you, but in the back they are bitching. And third thing is like jealousy. In these era, why people are jealous? They have everything, but still they are unsatisfied. Still they are feeling jealous. So why this happening? So my first question is, do you believe that karma eventually catch up with everyone? Why or why not?
Actually, I'm not aware of this topic, but still, I would love to talk whatever I know. So
Hmm.
karma definitely teaches you so many things. Whatever you are doing in your present, you
Hmm.
should be aware and you have to be aware, right?
Hmm.
And do your own business. Don't interfere any other businesses
Hmm.
and don't be a holier than thou with others also.
Hmm.
Sometimes people feel like he or she is a vain glorious person
Hmm.
and so they are interrupting to us. Okay,
Hmm.
so let it be because
Hmm.
whatever we are doing,
Hmm.
so definitely they will mock at you, they will
Hmm.
laugh at you.
Hmm.
Okay, so it's your decision what you have to carry in your mind. You
Hmm.
want to carry positive things, then
Hmm.
okay, and if you want to carry and surrounding yourself with negativity, then it's all also okay. But
Hmm.
the thing is, if those who are criticizing you,
Hmm.
their karma, it's their karma, they are
Hmm.
doing their job. And if
Hmm.
you still you are keeping in your positive mood and you are going in a positive path, then
Hmm.
definitely you would be successful person. And then definitely who are criticizing you, they will trumpet you
Hmm.
in this moment whenever you will get success in your life. So
Yes.
karma teaches so many things. Whatever you are doing, do with an honest arrow. Be an honest person with your work, whether you
Hmm.
are learning something, you are in job and you are serving to your family members, right?
Hmm.
So whatever you are doing, be honest.
Hmm.
Otherwise by forcing someone, you are fulfilling someone's duty, then it means you are not happy,
Hmm.
right? So if you are not happy, it means your mind also surrounded from so many negativity.
Hmm.
So first of all, you have to be happy with your work, otherwise
Yes.
you will not get anything.
Hmm.
And you will not give them satisfaction also because satisfaction, I told you and while ago also, satisfaction is very biggest thing in our life. Whatever we are doing in our life, be satisfied with your things. Suppose we are running YouTube channel and still we are getting results, still we are not satisfied, right? And we
Hmm.
are keep on criticizing people, keep on chasing people. He is or she is flourishing and she is getting views and subscribers. Why I'm not?
Hmm.
Maybe some mistakes you are doing. Maybe she has completed so many things, she did hard work and you are not doing because learning means anything. If you have started, keep
Hmm.
patience. If you have patience, then definitely you will find good. And nowadays what is happening, people want instant result within a month. They want to be a successful person, they want to uneasy money. No,
Hmm.
those who are in big position,
Hmm.
they did lots of hard work. So
Definitely.
keep on motivate yourself, like, yeah, hard work uh, we have to do hard work, otherwise we will not get success. So chasing is also good, you can follow others, but don't feel negativity from anyone, otherwise you will not get success. Keep, okay, he is also and she is also earning good, I
Hmm.
want become like this. God bless him and God give him so many subscribers, views, then definitely he will also return, because universe listen you, and same universe also provide you the same. So
Definitely.
if you don't have power to bless them, then don't uh, criticize them. Yes. What do you
Yeah,
feel?
I agree with you. Like, I believe karma is not always about something magical happening. Sometimes it
Yeah.
simply means that our habits and our behaviors create life we end up living. Like, yes, I always believe karma catch up with everyone in one way or another. It doesn't always happen immediately, but our action have consequences. Whatever we are doing,
Hmm.
it's come back. So when we treat
Definitely.
people with kindness, honesty, respect, we usually build strong relationship and earn people trust. But on the other hand, we constantly lie, comparison, jealous. We lose people respect and trust. So I always believe we should focus on doing good rather than expecting
Hmm.
revenge. Nowadays, people
Yeah.
are taking revenges. Why? Okay, we are the human beings. If someone is saying bad thing, stay silent and move on. There are so many things to do, but people still choose wrong things.
Yes.
So I believe it is your hand. Whatever you are doing, just try to do good things, good deeds, basically, and earn
Hmm.
respect. Earn, like, whatever you are doing, just be in your mind. Whatever you are doing, it is written in your destiny, basically. So this is
It
my
happens.
point of view.
Actually, but someone feels like he's also doing negative things. Still, he's growing,
Yes,
right? And then they follow, and they start chasing that people. Why
definitely.
I'm not doing the same thing? Maybe I will be successful person, but
Yes,
no. For the moment, for a year, he would be, and then definitely he will fall one day, because
yes,
negative things do not work for a little longer period. If you
yes.
are honest and if with anyone, then definitely right now you are not getting result, not getting fruits, but definitely in future you will get fruit,
Definitely,
right?
definitely. If you are doing honest work, if you are doing hard work, you will see the result after some time. So, okay, ma'am, I have one more question. Why do some people pretend to be nice in front of others but gossip behind their back? Why this happen? And do you face
Yeah,
this?
it happens actually. Yeah, I have also seen so many people, they are pretending themselves like, yeah, I am very good friend of yours, and
Hmm,
I want always I have always one good thing about you actually,
hmm,
but they pretend.
hmm.
Good friend is that who never left leave you, whether it
Yes.
is your good time or bad time, right? If he's not good friend of yours, then definitely he will leave you in your bad time, and whenever you demand something like suppose xyz, I want this support from you, then definitely he will deny you. And nowadays it is happening.
Hmm,
If I demand something from my friend, I want such kind of money, and can you go with me hospital, because in my house nobody is there,
hmm,
then if he is real friend of yours, then definitely he will go. Otherwise, oh my god, I don't have time, can you go and can you carry other person? So they try to pretend
hmm,
good, be a good person in your good times, when you
hmm,
are rich and you are providing so many parties, throwing so many parties to them, and you are inviting for
hmm,
the lunch, dinner, and enjoying journey, then definitely they will support you, means enjoy with you. But in bad time, they will not come to you, and even they will not ask you for a single one glass of water, right? So it should be not like this, because God is watching and observing each and everything. Now you are feeling, now you will feel definitely nobody is observing you, but inside you know,
hmm,
no, one energy is there
hmm.
surrounding you, always watches you,
Definitely,
right?
definitely. Definitely, I agree
Yes.
with you. And some people maintain good relation in front of their friends. And this is why they are pretending very good. But they are only fooling themselves, I believe. Because the person standing in
Yes.
front of them already know who they are, who they really are, and understand their mindset,
Hmm.
but choose to stay silent. Like, If my friend is pretending in front of me, I know you are pretending, but I prefer silence because silence should never be mistaken for weakness. If someone is patient and kind, doesn't test their patience because everyone has their limits. And if someone is bitching about me in front of, like in back of me, I know you are doing these kind of
Yes.
things. Everyone know, but they are
Yeah,
pretending
yeah.
don't know, and like we are ignoring the things. We are ignoring the negativity. We are, I think, we choose peace over the chaos. So this is why
Hmm.
these things. And nowadays people are very pretending. Seriously,
Yes.
because
Because
they are,
sometimes, silence is a gold.
yes.
If you are not always pretending something, I am your friend, I am with you always, be silent and observe all those things. Whenever
Yes.
there's too much need, then you have to burst out. Otherwise, all the time bursting out, no, I'm such kind of person, I am kind of
Hmm.
person who always help you and all. So it means you are not, because you are
Yes.
pretending the things.
Great, definitely. And one more thing, ma'am, I should add. Sometimes people are afraid to express their true feeling directly. So they choose to talk behind someone back instead of in front. Maybe they are insecure, maybe they are jealous. So that is why they are talk behind. Let it go.
Running is
So,
also in.
no worries, let it go.
Okay.
Let's continue our session. So, okay, tell me about your journey. When you started your journey.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I have shared so many times, but in a crust way, I tell you. I have
Hmm.
started, it's been 1.5 years, but I was not regular because in between I got baby shower, so C-section, and doctor denied, no, if you got C-section, then you are not,
Hmm.
you should not use mobile screen time.
Hmm.
You have to lessen your screen time. So I have stopped all those things for 5 months. Then I have started. It's been 2 months. I am regular on YouTube and on regular basis. I'm joining to people, and yes, so I'm enjoying this life.
Okay, so ma'am, you were the teacher in any private
Yes,
school?
I because of baby I have left all those things. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So now you're teaching online?
No, no, no. Because of baby, it is not possible to take online classes, because if you have online classes, if you are running,
Hmm.
then you have to set timing, fixed timing, and there's no fixed timing,
Hmm.
right? So that's why I'm not teaching. But yeah, after 1 year, I will rejoin my school. Till then,
Okay.
I am learning this skill so that I can join a good foundation, good school.
Oh, that is great. That is
Yeah.
great. Okay, any question
Actually,
you
I
have?
also born and brought up UP itself, but after
Okay.
getting married, I came to Indore. Yeah.
Which
Okay,
city?
so I have a question. Hamirpur, do you know Hamirpur, Mahoba? Didn't
No,
you?
no.
Okay, you don't. Okay, let it be. I was asking something. Huh. You are from the UP. I am also from the UP. So I have one issue of English, S or SH. Do you also feel the same? Do you
Sha,
have also
sha.
the same problem? Hmm.
No, no, no. Sometime. Sometime. Not usually. Even now,
Hmm.
it is slip of my tongue.
But I have this problem from the since the childhood, because in my house everyone use sugar, not sugar, but it is
Okay.
sugar. So I'm learning this thing. Yes, it is
Yes.
happening with me. MTI issue, we can say.
Yes. Sometimes it's happened to everyone. Like most of the Bihar students face this problem. Sha. Sha.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. In UP, mostly had this problem as this. I don't know
Yeah.
why.
I
Hmm.
think because of our mother tongue, people are generally because UP language is so it is different.
Yes, yeah, it is different.
Yeah.
Little bit different, not little bit, totally spark difference between UP
Yes.
and other states, right?
If someone is
Yeah.
speak in normal tone, people think that person is fighting. UP
Hmm.
language is so hard.
Yeah. So hard and straightforward.
Yes,
Straightforward language. Okay.
definitely.
So I have a question for you. How to keep patience? Earlier, I told you like learning needs patience, but
Hmm.
nowadays no one have patience. Like they want instant result.
Yeah.
So could you suggest how to keep patience?
Basically, it's depend on our mindset. Everyone wants instant result. But
Hmm.
if you want to learn this language, if you want to prepare any competitive exam, have patience because we know it is an uphill task. and step by step you reach the destiny basically. And mindset play a very important role. When whatever you are doing, be calm and trust the process. If you are trusting the process, you are going into the flow basically. And
Hmm.
third thing is like meditation and self talk and trust in the God. These things is also important. Yeah, consistency discipline is very crucial, very important. But beside that, meditation, because nowadays what students are doing, if they are indulged into studies, they are very hooked into studies. They are not take care of their health basically. They are not
Hmm.
doing exercise.
Hmm.
If I talk about myself, I am like the same. Sometimes I'm not doing exercise. If I'm doing study, so I'm hooked into study. But I'm in these days I'm trying to do some exercise, some stretching because I was a player and my body is flexible to be honest. So in these days I try to be do some basic exercise. So you are doing everything. So you learn patience day by day. Patience is depend on basically mindset. How do you control your
Hmm.
minds, your heart,
Hmm.
thoughts?
Definitely.
So these are the
So
things.
yeah. And mindfulness is also very, very important. If
Hmm.
you are doing something, then you have to be mindful at that certain and particular thing.
Hmm.
Otherwise, you will not gonna learn anything. So,
Hmm.
as you said that you were player. So, which
Hmm.
kind player you were? I want to know.
I was a Malcolm player, and this is the MP
Oh,
state game, basically.
yes, yes, famous.
Yeah.
So you
So
are you have this knack.
yes,
So,
like now I stopped because of some issue. In basically in my city, there's a no academy, so
hmm.
this is why I stopped. I'm very close. This game is very close to my heart. I did rope Malcolm. I love. I climb in a second.
Oh, wow.
So
Who
these
taught
are,
you? By any coaching did you
yeah,
do?
coach. Like in my college,
Okay.
when I was in graduation, I learned this game.
So, did you perform somewhere in
Yes,
state level or?
yeah, like all India game. I performed all India game in Jaipur, Bhopal, Aligarh, and there's a one more place I just forgot. So these are the
Nice.
plays I perform.
Mhm. Okay, nice. And you have told you from the starting you have knack like cooking,
Yes.
right? So I have found some because I don't take interest in cooking, and whenever somebody said that you have to cook, then I feel illness in my
Hmm.
mind. So which
Yeah.
type cuisine do you prepare?
Basically, I love Italian food. Italian in pasta, noodles, sometimes. And if I talk about my favorite food, I loved South Indian food. Basically, idli, dosa, sambar, something like that. And if
Hmm.
I talk about what kind of things I cook, so one of my favorite recipe is pasta, arabita pasta.
Oh, pasta is very famous nowadays. My
Yeah.
daughter also likes and always says, "Mama, pasta बनाए क्या?"
Yeah, it is very tasty and very easy to make.
Okay, but I don't like pasta, pizza, burger. Only I like dosa. Even idli, I also don't like.
Okay,
Only
okay.
yeah, and only one of the thing is samosa, which
Hmm.
I prefer the most.
Hmm.
Okay, that's enough from my fast food.
That is great. Okay, ma'am, it is 5 o'clock because I have
Yeah.
one more meeting. That is why
Okay. 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 So
we should wrap
it
up the
was
call.
nice conversation with you.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. Okay.
Most welcome.
Bye.
Bye bye. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.